It moved. I swear it moved.
Really, Lou? Again with the ghost wall?
Woof. Woof, 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 woof.
Welcome to the mystery of why dogs bark.
Woof, 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 woof.
Dogs bark because it works. It is their Wi-Fi signal. Short range, high volume.
Play.
Feed me.
Stranger danger.
So basically, you're sending me 45 notifications that all say, something happened.
Exactly. I'm nature's push notification system. Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
Dogs evolved to bark more than wolves. Noise got them human attention wet. The original customer support strategy.
And
Bark, 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 bark.
Oh, Lou.
Oh boy.
What's going on in there? What's going on in there?
Each bark triggers an arousal loop. Ow. Heart rate spikes. Adrenaline floods. Alert mode engaged.
Intruder vehicle! Protect the kingdom!
whoa!
Bro, it's the same mail truck every day. Yeah, but what if today it's plotting?
Doesn't.
Whoa!
I know, right?
Their instincts were built for forests, not doorbells, so modern dogs overreact.
You know, dogs have so many ways to talk.
Like a happy woof.
Or a quick little yip,
Don't forget the growl.
and then there's the howl.
Oh, and the whine.
Woof, woof.
Woof, 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 woof. Bark, bark. Ruff, ruff.
Exercise helps. A tired dog is a quiet dog.
And for a quick snooze.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Stopping barking entirely? Impossible! It's like telling humans not to talk about food.
That's so true.
Quiet means reward. Yep. Congratulations! You just built a fuzzy Pavlov experiment.
And yelling "shut up" doesn't work, He thinks you joined the choir.
Yes, you become the hype man in his concert.
Redirect the energy. Here, chew this instead of chaos.
Whoa, what's in there?
Exercise helps. A tired dog is a quiet dog.
And then we all get a nut.
But what about the squirrels who don't like nuts?
We get them an acorn.
Finally, silence. Blessed silence.
Good boy!
Block triggers. Out of sight, out of. Woof. Hey there, Lee.
Hey, Lou. What's up?
Woof, woof, woof.
Oh, I'll be back soon.
Woof, woof, woof.
That's separation anxiety code, now managed through calm repetition. See you later. Back again.
Consistency rewires the stress circuits. Cortisol drops. Amygdala chills out.
Ah, bliss.
Oh, Lou, still in your zen zone, I see. You're more potato than protector now.
A Zen potato with purpose. Engage the brain. Boredom breeds barking.
Treats, 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 treats. You found them, Lou. Buffering. Serene.
Seren.
You're a pro, sir.
You're impossible, but improving. Ha ha.
Because dogs bark out of care, pure chaotic love.
With that to be ten trusty Kong's Pertsang.
I'm so glad we get to spend time together.
Hey!
Hello.
You just want to be heard, huh? Good night.
Good night.
Behind every bark is a heart trying to connect.
Did you hear that, Lou?
I sure did, Lee.
Dogs bark to connect. Hey, it's loud love.
You're welcome for the 3 a.m. security updates.
Good morning, Lee.
Good morning, Lou.
So next time your dog goes full megaphone mode, listen before you shout.
He's not being bad, he's just being loud about love.
Exactly, ya. I bark, therefore I care.
What a beautiful day.
Indeed, Lou.
Are we almost there yet?
Almost. Just a little further. Every bark tells a story. Fear, joy, boredom, or pure devotion.
Look how bright it is here.
Yeah, the sun is beautiful.
Woof!
Because sometimes love just sounds like woof.
Oh my goodness, that dog is so silly. Look at that one. What a funny face.
Ding dong.
Oh my!
What was that? Huh?
You? What is it, Luu? Intruder! Everyone to the panic room!
It's literally the pizza guy.
Ugh. That's what he wants you to think. Welcome to doorbell-induced barking, the canine apocalypse. That sound triggers the primal alert system.
So his DNA basically screams, "Defend the castle!"
It's Pavlovian conditioning, Ferd. Doorbell equals adrenaline, adrenaline equals bark storm.
Oh, Luu. Luu, we've had 5 visitors this month. None were assassins.
You can't just turn it off. It's like asking caffeine to stop existing.
Just setting up our new door routine, Matt.
Ooh, the Zen Zone.
Place.
Yes. Okay, I'm here.
Good. Now, let's begin. Doorbell means snack, not apocalypse.
That's bribery mixed with neuroscience. Okay, Lou, almost there.
Just a little more.
Zen mode boot camp complete.
This is counter conditioning, replacing panic with peanut butter.
Ooh, we'll test your therapy playlist.
Listen to this sound.
You're now DJ of canine emotional regulation.
So we're desensitizing him with lo-fi beats and snacks?
The Doorbell Lo-Fe Mix, Ruxa Serotonin Edition.
That's the classic mistake. Bark equals door opals equals victory.
Wait for silence. Even 1 second counts.
We could do this and then that.
Right, but then what?
Silence equals access. Barking equals lockdown.
It's a proven fact.
We're just better at it. Hello, friends.
Hey, Lee.
Controlled exposure reduces social anxiety. Barking.
Observe the rare, polite Luu approaching the visitor with wagging tail.
I'm trying, but he smells like mail trucks.
Some barking is fine, Deck. Communication, not chaos.
1 bark means alert. 10 barks means existential crisis.
Stay calm. Dogs mirror your energy. Calm human equals calm hound. Panic human equals siren.
Guard the toy, not the door.
I got it!
Woohoo! Done.
Soundproofing helps. Curtains, rugs, white noise. White noise.
So you want to go and run around this field?
I would love to.
Dogs hear everything. A doorbell is a jet engine to them.
There you go, much better.
We're almost there, Lou.
I know, Lee. I can almost smell it.
Pre-guest cardio burns the bark fuel.
Another one.
A tired brain is a peaceful brain.
Good boy, Lou. You're doing great. Woof.
Remember, barking is communication, not rebellion.
It's love with bad timing.
And great acoustics.
He's not wrong, Curé. He's performing with enthusiasm.
We did good, Lee.
Yeah, we sure did, Lou.
Finally, silence sounds beautiful.
Woof.
That's not disobedience, Faye. That's connection reprogrammed.
See? Doorbell equals chill now.
Through patience and routine, noise becomes harmony.
Good morning, Lee.
Good morning, Lou.
Oh, what a stretch.
A quiet dog isn't silent, Ness. He's understood.
Isn't that nice? No panic, just snacks. Behind every bark once lived anxiety. Now it's peace with peanut butter. Ready to go, Luu.
Where are we going, Lii?
Welcome to Separation Anxiety. Wokich, the Canine Heartbreak Symphony.
Woof, woof. Hey, your dog's forming a choir.
Not just a choir, a full orchestra.
I am the conductor.
Oh, Luu!
Dogs are pack animals. Being alone feels like danger.
All right, little buddy. Time to get to work.
Where are they? Oh, I miss them so much. That's intense.
That's loyalty. That's noise pollution.
When you leave, cortisol spikes and adrenaline floods. Panic, not mischief.
Uh-oh. What's wrong, Luu? This is heartbreak, not bad behavior.
Desensitization training is where you gradually expose your dog to something they're afraid of.
Oh, interesting.
Wait, what are you doing?
You're breaking the link between routine and panic.
Well, that was uneventful.
What were you expecting?
Step by step, the brain learns leaving isn't forever.
Boop,
Whoa!
boop,
Ah,
boop,
ah.
boop.
Neutral energy rewires emotional response.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
No dramatic goodbyes. You're buying milk, not climbing Mount Doom. Woof! Hey, Luu!
No fireworks, no chaos. Calm energy equals calm dog.
So basically treat leaving...
Like, grabbing groceries?
Exactly. Less Titanic, more Tuesday.
Wow, look at these!
What do you think they are?
Mental stimulation keeps the brain busy while you're gone.
Is that for me?
It sure is.
That's a tasty bone!
Chewing releases endorphins, boredom. Nature's chill pill.
You can find endorphins and stress hormones.
And these both go down. Chewing relaxes muscles and lowers anxiety levels. Hey, Luu. Here's your favorite shirt. Thanks, Lii.
Your scent can reduce distress by up to 60%.
Smells like safety. Smells like safety.
Sometimes barking comes from energy overflow, not emotion.
What do you mean?
Well, sometimes I just bark because I'm so excited.
We're going for a walk!
Oh, goody! It's a beautiful day for a walk. The best kind of day for a walk.
Tired brain equals quiet house. Pre-commute cardio success.
Are you sure you've got everything?
Yes, I believe so.
That's progress, Sam. No meltdown at departure cues.
Oh, this is a fun one.
Wait, is this a trick?
You're breaking the pattern, sir. Coat doesn't always mean goodbye.
Basically, I'm gaslighting his anxiety.
I feel manipulated but intrigued.
What's that smell?
Predictability replaced with curiosity. Therapy through confusion.
Yes, okay. And the best time to do that would be...
Extreme cases need professionals, counterconditioning, and exposure therapy.
Oh no! The fear circuits are acting up again!
What if we try to calm them down this time?
Some cases need supplements or mild meds.
Mental health isn't just human. Hey there.
Just checking in.
Two snorers, one happy house.
Bonding takes time now. Vibes, snacks, and awkward sniffing.
He's not mad you left, he loves too much.
Bark, bark, bark. Good boy.
It's loud love to a messy, devoted, window-shaking affection.
Your barking used to annoy me.
Now it just annoys me with affection.
Every woof is a love song called Please Come Back.
Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
Separation anxiety isn't disobedience, Bavit. It's devotion with bad timing.
See you in a bit.
Through patience and calm energy, heartbreak becomes trust.
We're finally home.
Home! Sweet home!
Love doesn't vanish when you close the door, Daggo. It learns to wait.
Morning, Lii.
Morning, Luu.
Morning, Luu.
You're getting better at goodbyes, huh? Only because you come back.
Behind every bark is a heart that never stops waiting.
Morning, Lii. Morning, Luu.
Oh. What was that?
What?
What was what? Great. The group chat's active again.
Just spreading the word. Important community updates. Yeah, like what? Squirrel spotted at 3 o'clock? Welcome to Social Barking Ground. Dogs acting like gossip aunties with megaphones.
Woof. Woof, woof.
It's not aggression, it's communication. Ancient wolf code reborn in suburbia.
Woof, woof.
So you're an influencer now?
This is social facilitation blam. Dogs mimic others, just like humans do.
Bark, bark.
Woof. Woof.
It starts friendly but can escalate into a full-blown barking apocalypse.
Oh, Luu.
To stop the gossip, you need strategy, not duct tape.
Step 1. Find the trigger dog. Distraction. Distraction interrupts the bark wave before it spreads.
Focus, Luu. Fetch instead of broadcast.
Woof.
Step 2. Teach the thank you cue.
Thank you. Oh.
Woof.
Thank you, Luu.
Wicca.
Here's your treat.
Oh, for me?
Now he learns. One alert good, spam alerts ignored.
So we're basically saying, we got your email, no need to reply all.
Exactly, unsubscribing from the neighborhood thread. Red.
There, all snug and secure.
Good job, Lee!
Step 3. Environment management. Out of sight, out of bark.
Oh, well.
If he barks at a neighbor's dog, try mutual desensitization.
Good job, Luu.
Good job, Lee. Hey there, friend.
Well, hello.
Positive meetups transform rivalry into peaceful coexistence.
It's like introducing rival YouTubers at a cafe.
Some dogs bark because it feels good. Self-soothing through vibration.
So he's barking for the vibe? Channel that energy forward. Mental enrichment keeps him busy. Okay, ready, set, go.
Sniff, sniff, sniff! Sniff, sniff, sniff!
A thinking dog has no time for gossip.
Woof!
Body language matters. Tension equals backup signal.
Huh, it's pretty simple actually.
Confidence is contagious. Panic spreads faster than barking.
Are you not scared?
What is there to be scared of?
The more you fight barking, the stronger it grows.
So we're aiming for understanding, not silence.
Exactly. Barking is dialogue died, not defiance. What are you thinking about, Lee?
Oh, just the usual, Luu.
He's not ruining peace. He's confirming connection.
It's noisy, messy, and oddly beautiful.
So you're basically the neighborhood watch, huh?
That pun alone deserves a bark muzzle.
Social barking isn't chaos, it's community in canine form.
You just like being part of the conversation.
Through calm guidance and clear cues, connection beats noise.
When humans stay composed, the pack learns peace.
Ah, morning already!
Good morning, sleepyhead. Neighborhood's quiet, finally.
For now.
Breaking news incoming.
Because in the world of dogs, every bark is just love in loud mode.
What's all the fuss about, Luu?
If barking were an Olympic sport, Luu would have gold medals and zero remorse.
And apparently, I'm his coach. Quiet.
Quiet! Ah! Ah!
Woof woof.
I told him to stop, and he thought we were harmonizing.
That's when she realized the quiet game doesn't start with the dog. It starts with you.
Well, this is going to be a day.
Dogs mirror human emotion. If you're tense, they bark louder.
All right, I think I got it.
Perfect.
Your calm becomes their calm playing. Your chaos becomes their soundtrack.
She waits for the microsecond pause between barks well, that sacred silence.
Good quiet.
What?
Hey, you deserve it. Another one.
Operant conditioning, reward the absence, not the action.
Silence becomes peace. Peace becomes habit.
Ding dong. Woof woof. What was that? A treat.
I'm basically a Jedi trainer for quiet.
It's not just about cheese, for thing. It's about predictability.
Is it time yet? I think it is.
Routine reduces anxiety. Predictability builds security.
So I've turned him into a grandpa who loves schedules.
Calmness is comfort food for dogs.
Attention, barking seg, the sneakiest trap.
What? Woof woof.
To dogs, any response equals victory.
Attention equals win.
No argument there, Lou.
Silence is the only currency that stops the game. Woof!
No words, no sighs, no eye contact, load. Indifference is the teacher.
And that's why...
That's what I thought.
Jackpot moment for us. Silence now equals reward.
Catch.
Yum! Predictable feedback. Same rule every time.
Time to fill up those puzzle feeders and Kongs.
Quiet enrichment fills silence with purpose.
What's this?
Mental stimulation engages brain, calms mouth.
Now I'll add this bone, and then this scented toy for good measure.
Sniffing is therapy, Chow. Dogs solve puzzles instead of yelling at air.
Oh, what's in here? This is amazing! You're too busy to bark now, huh? That's the point. Active brain, peaceful world.
Time for a meal!
I'm so hungry.
Consistency rewires behavior. One calm day at a time.
Well, what do you think?
About what?
If you reward one bark, he remembers forever.
Mixed messages break progress. Predictable humans make predictable dogs.
Barking gets nothing. Calm gets love.
Simple. Fair. No negotiations.
So no applause for my art?
Only for your silence.
And don't forget how. Barking is communication, not rebellion.
Woof!
What's up, Lou?
Sometimes it means confusion, insecurity, or just, I don't get it.
Every bark's a text message from your soul. The quiet game reflects patience, not punishment.
Just breathe.
Calm energy spreads faster than commands.
Teaching silence teaches empathy.
It's so peaceful out here.
I agree.
It's not control, it's connection.
Who knew quiet training would make us closer?
You're welcome for your character development. Sometimes the best teacher barks first.
Are you resting comfortably, Luu?
I am, Lee. Just enjoying the quiet.
The quiet game isn't about silence, foam. It's about understanding energy.
Well, that was an adventure.
Yes, it was, but we made it.
When you lower your volume, your dog learns peace.
This is our tranquil abode.
So peaceful, isn't it?
Predictability, patience, and calm have the real training trilogy.
Good quiet, partner. Finally, a sport I can lose gracefully.
Stopping barking isn't about dominance. It's about harmony.
That's all for today. Bye. Subscribe for more peace, love, and fewer woofs. We're waiting with snacks.
Outro done. See you soon.